Hey guys, I'm Dustin with The Electric Way, and today I'm going to show you how to make your house more efficient. One of the things you can do is change your light bulbs from fluorescent, incandescent to LED. Today I'm going to show you how to do that in a can light. The first thing you want to make sure that you do is turn off the light switch. So after you've turned off the light switch, you reach up into the light fixture. This is a can light. It'll have a regular light bulb in it. You want to go ahead and set that guy down. And then in this instance, this fits just inside your can light. And it looks kind of intimidating because it has wires on it. But the first thing you're going to do is it'll come with two pieces. The first piece will fuse into or thread into a light bulb. Just like that. 1 second. Now this is going to replace the entire trim on a light bulb, so you're going to need to take that off as well before you put one of these in. Now all you're going to do is connect the wires together just like this. You want to make sure that it's color to color or black to white, and it usually only goes one way. And then all you have to do is pinch these two things together here. It slides up into the can light. Just like that. Pops right in. Get back down and you turn on the light switch.